Our final Jeopardy category today, phrases from the ancient world. Zach and Sam, here is your clue. Cicero wrote that a tyrant ordered this to be hung from the ceiling by a horsehair. His guest begged to leave. 30 seconds. Good luck. We'll begin with Zach Newkirk, who had $5,200. What was his response? What is the sword of Damocles? Yes, that's correct. The sword of Damocles is now a metaphorical source of imminent danger, but at one time it was a real sword. So you'll add to your $5,200, how much? $528, taking you to $5,728. Sam Buttrey was in the lead, $19,600. Did he know it was the sword of Damocles? He did. He will add not a penny, but it doesn't matter. $19,600 makes you our final